Ekele mu ni Igbo na dinwe. One worker Archbishop to Yakazakwe, the CEO Pioneer Western Property Limited China Caribbean. Open with Jerunu was out 2027 election. I want you to notice few days I'm there village boy picture. A lot of people know that Igbo go ten and not bomb na young. Same almost stand them on the neutral. You put in open. Now I'm going to and what I learned from there was that Igbo had to go box to the corner. Fana to Zojo. What of Ati Chaparano? Peter be always who cares? Oh, why we when they was it? Why your job, Guinea? Your job. I wanna is your man, your job. Puluna is your poo, man, they marry is your poo, Monade marry, Wola Bama. Mbesi mberi, is your poo, good on where, or where Massy, no matter how flash you are at the moment. And actually, Joe era good woman nine. I nobody ever if I am not going to revive Anondo. I will not able at this time and age. A man no one can. So can you so much for nothing? Can you could imagine a model to a picture not on support a particular person and I say stand there down. Now I'm going my position as Onyo Kochuku. Oh, that is more reason I should speak out. I want anything wrong, give you join on your body, join. Especially when you are doing the right thing. Can you want to say to your business again? Oja ego, Oja if you talk, you die. If you don't talk, you will still die. All I need is a good plan in Nigeria and one I TPL. Also, I get join go do whatever. MHA no man, I get you. Here na work as a sister, all going down market. I get it. Also, I give support to them actually fire support the Java. They will still call you. While the end you say no, come again, TPA. One thing they know what do the right thing and do the right support. Here Nigeria need a revolution. Revolutionaries, they are not afraid because they are caused with radical change in a political system. You don't need to be afraid. And when you are trying to achieve a radical change, you need a radical approach. Whether it come out fine or not, hello, leave it. You try again. And who told you that 2027 is for a particular people? Oh, we are about rewriting history, changing destiny, and is in the hands of the servants of God. Oh, my Baba, you don't read to in the Bible, Samuel. Whom Israel, if I came and attack and walk out, just say, Osia Maka, Ijigosu Nachineke, Namiri is no culture. What does he want to do? He wants to tell them that even in Rome and again, poor man, it was about politics. Ubosona Gafogua, Midways or no culture. Ever Moon, so woman at 2027 election, Midigate or no culture. According to
Ndi Kuloku Sina, ihe nkịta ji agba ụja oge ụfọdụ abụrụkwanụ na ọ dị brave na ọkwa ụjọ ma ọ ji agba ụja. Ee, ụfọdụ n'ime unu ama aghọta na ịbụ na ọ dị isi ndị a na-eme mkpọta a na-ekwu City Boy ọkwa ụjọ ji onye ọbụla ahụ. So that onwe ka ihe si eme ha nọ n'uru. Tinubu lose ha nọ n'uru because Peter Obi ama jide ha. Mana bụ na Tinubu win ha nọkwa n'uru. Na asị na ngwere niile makpu amalọ nke afọ na-asa. Onwere m onye ga-atụrụ ibia vote ma ndị a na-eti mkpu. Ballot box bụkwa my personal thing no. Ilu there also gị na chi gị no. Thank you, my bishop. Nam, thank you for speaking up. You want to go? Eziokwu na ụfọdụ ndị Igbo anyị ụjọ jizi onye ọbụla. Etipiala ndị Igbo emego ndị Igbo taa kpuchie ọnụ. Since ejidezi Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ụjọ jide onye ọbụla agbakpuo n'ụlọ. A ga na-agwa onwe anyị eziokwu. Na-ajụ ọzọ ndị Igbo bụzikwa ndị a na-emezikwa ka ha bụ ndị Yoruba na-adịzi ka wọd. mana ọ bụrụ na Peter Obi kala obi na-ejegharị a ga-echekwa na ndị Igbo niile adago silence. Ọkwa mgbe mbụ elekshọn na-eru taa ị na-afụ ndị Igbo na-akwadosi na ha ga-apụta okorocha onye ọbụla na-apụta na ha ga-abịa abụ prezidenti na onwezido onye Igbo ọzọ na-apụta ka o win ka ọ bụrụ na o je praịmarị na PDP ma ọ na APC ọ na o je praịmarị na another party ka o luzugodo onye ọbụla gbakpuchie n'ụlọ onye ọbụla mechichezie ọnụ akụjichela onye ọbụla ọkpa kụjiche onye ọbụla ụkwụ uche onye ọbụla adịzie n'ime ya ụjọ mana agwa ha na a na-atụ ụjọ ebido mmekpọtụ thank God na ihe nna m na-ekwu zoro anya bishọp ihe ikwudo m anya ụjọ ji onye ọbụla ka anyị gwa onwe anyị eziokwu onye ọbụla na-atụ egwu mana ka isi kwuo ya taa ka o si dị mma maka na asị na ọgbọ ka a na-atụbụ ewu ojii before ụwa abalị. Now that you said it earlier, it's easier for us now to correct the impression before it becomes too late. Before ndị Igbo na-adị 10-11 pụta na-asị na a na-achọ ịbụ president ọ bụgo na ha ewinilọ a ga-anọ na-eme campaign mana otu ọdịna onye ọbụla nwezi onye obi ka anyị pụta anụ onye nke pụtara apụta udo ejide ndị mmadụ ịsọpọtụ ya maka gịnị why onye mere ndị Igbo ife anụ anyị na-ekwu okwu onye mere anyị ife a who close our mouth, who put the fear in us? Why are we coward in the face of reality? Have we done anything wrong? They've cajoled all of us to become silent. If not for someone, if not for few people who has the mind that are speaking, need to speak up. Obodo a na-emebi majizie na onye ọbụla mechie ọnụ. We are talking, the country is going upside down. Imagine everybody keep quiet. Onye ọbụla mechie ọnụ ka isi iche na onye ọbụla let us stop talking, let us not show ourselves. What will happen then? Just as Bishop said it, ikwuo ị ga-anwụ ma ikwuru ị ga-anwụ. Asọrọ nke pụta kpọọ mmadụ iyi, asọrọ nke pụta insult to anybody. We are not saying you should insult people, but you say it the way it is. They have been saying it that it is not the bad people that will destroy the nation. It is the good ones who keep quiet because silence is consent. Silence is support. Silence is meaning that you are in support of what they are doing. You can't keep silence in the face of oppression, in the face of difficulties. You keep quiet. Why are we blaming our pastors? Is it not the same thing? They're keeping quiet. Mute. In the time when Nigerians need them to speak and challenge the status quo, they are keeping quiet. Ndị Igbo asị na ọnụ a na-adadara atụ egwu unu na-atụzi egwu unu na-atụzi egwu ifele emegbu ogbu ebunuba bụ ozu nwa agbaka ilo. What is that you cannot let go? We have fought a war, lose everything and start all over again. What is that you cannot lose and start all over again? What is that you cannot give out in order to make your people be safe? Kanu is rotting in prison because he gave everything. The man has the opportunity to live his best life and forget everybody in UK. He has crossed over to where he can live comfortably. But why there, living well, having steady light, he's concerned about his people over there. You might not like his modus operandi, you might not like what he thinks he's fighting for. But at least he show concern. You are in Nigeria or you are outside Nigeria, you are living comfortable, you are not showing concern, you are quiet, you are the worst cowards. You are even worse than those you are pointing finger to. You are worse than those people you are pointing finger to. And I can tell you with this action, 99% of you will not even vote because you have concluded that no matter what, the good ones will never rule. The good ones will never rule. So who would then vote for the good one to rule if you do not come out? This is a problem we are facing. Everybody, they have boxed everybody into the box. Seal it up. Nobody should talk. If you talk, they arrest you. Before Uncle, are they not arresting people who are not talking? If you like, don't talk. If you like, even join the party, they will still deal with you. Emefiele is rotting in prison. He's in APC. Malami was in APC with Buhari. Malami has been arrested. El-Rufai today has been arrested. El-Rufai was in APC before. He's a Fulani, he's a Muslim. You think it's your quietness that will make them not to do whatever they want to do to you? Even you that is jumping up and down and say you want to support them, you think that will make them not to do what they want to do to you? Like we always say, what shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his own soul? What shall it profit you? We're not saying you should come out and show your muscle and chase the bullet. No. But in your little way, support, speak out, make a post, share the post. Stop telling people to keep quiet. Are they insulting anybody? Are they insulting everybody? I'm out of here, Joe.